Welcome. This is the journey. Yo, we're at Dirtnap 2025 at the Double Rainbow. It's gonna be a good night. Cheers, everybody.
On guitar, we got Amy Roberts.
Yeah, he came in flying on an asteroid. Ain't no android. I'm here to make the tabloids. I'm that boy, little lost like I took a tab of Pink Floyd, spitting knowledge to the void. We some lost boys, make a lot of bad choices. I hear the voices, crystals in my palm tell me my fortune. Indulging in endorphins, soaring and styling, walking with the corpses, touring where the flowers for rich. I need a little boost.